Jack, I changed my mind. They said you might be up. Shh. Give me your hand. Close your eyes. Go on. Now step up. Okay. Hold on to the railing. Keep your eyes closed. Don't peek. Hold on. Hold on. Keep your eyes closed. Do you trust me? I trust you. Keep your eyes closed. Open your eyes. I'm flying. I'm so happy. These are the bangs I've always wanted. I'll never let go. I'll never let go. Never say never.
Never say never. I'll never let them grow.
Never let them grow. Never let go. You might. Are you dreaming about bangs? Or are you dreaming about growing them out? Growing them out.
Growing them out.
Now guys, if you want to keep your bangs, keep them. But every hairdresser knows the endless cycle that is, I want my bangs, I don't want my bangs.
I want my bangs, I don't want my bangs.
Cut my bangs.
We gotta grow them out. Can we grow them out in like a week?
So this is for you guys right in between growing out your bangs. The most frustrating few weeks is from here to here. From here to here. That little tiny space from your eyebrows to your ear is how much your bangs need to grow before you can tuck them or fit them into a ponytail. So what do you do with the time in between? That's what I'm here to show you. Welcome to another week and my hair is probably dirty, and today I'm going to teach you about growing out your bangs. Now I'm going to go ahead and just wash this part of my hair, which by the way, if you have bangs and you're getting sick of them because they get greasy faster,
What do you think I'm about to say?
it's usually because you're touching them all the time, pushing your hair back. If you haven't just washed your hands, you're automatically going to get grease on your hair.
Just gonna happen.
So stop touching it. Now, if you're growing out your bangs just because you're frustrated with them, know that there's tricks to keeping your bangs fresh and looking good. You can get them trimmed more often. You can just wash your bangs. You can. I'm about to do it so that you don't always have to do all of your hair. You can just do a little bit. This is about growing out your bangs. So are we ready? You can do it.
You can do it!
It just takes a little patience and a little flick of the wrist, maybe a few products, maybe a few tools, but you can do it. I'm gonna go ahead and lean my head over the sink and just wash this part of my hair. All I do is put a headband on the rest of my hair and a little claw clip to hold up my hair, and I just shampoo right in here. I get all the way to the roots. Rinse it out, little conditioner, and just a tiny bit, because if you're just redoing the bangs, you don't need to do everything. Rinse it thoroughly. If you leave any conditioner on the ends of your bangs, it's gonna look greasy and gross. Shampoo just here, put a headband on first, so you can cover that and wash in there, and then just towel dry, put heat protectant on it. Shocker, I know. And then we can get to styling. I'll be right back. Okay, look at that. I know, it's so pretty. Now, if you don't know how to blow dry your hair, go a few videos back on my page, how to blow dry your hair like a professional. Watch it, then come back here. Because we're gonna go ahead and section, even in your bangs, especially if you have finer hair, you still separate. Put a little bit of add volume. Mousse Spray KMS has a great line of volume products. If you have very thick hair, go ahead and put something like a serum in it, but not much, just a tiny bit. I use Moroccan oil and of course heat protectant. Now the main struggle people have with their bangs is getting them to stay off of their face while they're trying to grow them out. They usually, Conan, I can't. The biggest struggle people seem to have is keeping them over to the side. Of course, they want to spray tons of hairspray. Before you resort to tons of hairspray, I'm going to show you a few tricks. So go ahead and watch a video, learn how to blow dry, and then come back here. Here's heat protectant. For my bangs, since the rest of my hair is dry, I'm going to spray a tiny bit in my hands and then rub it on. There's no need to waste product. This one's ThermaShape, and it's so that when I put heat on it, it's gonna help my hair remember where it's going. Whatever brush you are blow drying with bangs might not be the same. If you had really short bangs and you're using a thinner brush, that could have worked well. But there are so many sizes of brushes. If you had very short hair and you are using these to blow dry your bangs, it's not gonna turn out the way you want once you're growing them out. So you're gonna have to up it to a bigger size. Here we go. Okay, one of the tricks to blow drying a little bit longer bangs is to hold your brush at a different angle. You're no longer blow drying them down towards your face. You're gonna blow dry them a little to the side. You don't need to go all the way back or else they're gonna feather back this way and they may not lay right when they're just about here. We're gonna hold it to the side like this. So don't hold it like this. Your bangs are no longer here. So adjust the angle like that. There you go. I hope you're watching this in your bathroom or something. That's what you guys should tell me. Where do you guys watch these videos? You guys send me pictures of after you're done, but do you actually watch them and try it as you go? Do you pause? Do you try to remember it? I'd like to know. Notice how I'm holding it right at the root. You want to direct your root to go away from your face. Now, do you see my bangs are almost dry? Don't stop there. If you stop there, all of these wet ones are just gonna go and lay kind of flat. You can hold the brush this way. Now, if I actually had straight hair, you'd be almost there. There are different ways to keep this swoop out of your face. Get a teasing brush, and we are going to section sideways. So whichever way you want your hair to go, before I've taught you to section this way, but that's because you wanted your hair to go back or forward. Conan, stop. Now, with your swoop, we want your hair to go a little to the side. We're gonna start with the top section of wherever your bangs are. So start right here. Go at an angle. See that? I'm gonna start up here. Grab a very thin section. Even if you have fine hair, grab a tiny section. Go in and tease. I know I've taught you a few times, but I want to make sure you have it. We're locking these together. So go in and push. Do it about 7 times, 7 to 10. Lock those together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Next one, lock them. And this is an aggressive way to make your bangs stay, but I know some of you are at your wit's end trying to get your bangs to stay out of your face. From here, take your natural bristle brush and go ahead and lightly start pulling them down, very lightly, just on the ends. I did not dig the brush in. I'm just doing very, very light strokes, not brushing out all the teasing we just did. And now, do you see that separation from my forehead? That tiny bit of separation from your forehead to your bangs.
Let's just say it.
That space might keep you from pulling out all your hair. If you're growing out some of your bangs, if you're trying to get them thinner, if you have thick bangs, you can even take half of them and go ahead and wear something like a headband and have a cute ponytail. There you go. And there, half of your bangs are gone already. If you have bangs that are super fresh and you already want to grow them out, start understanding hairdresser lingo. Be able to talk to your hairdresser. When you get in the chair, express that you'd like to grow out your bang, but tell them that you understand it's a journey. You can ask them to slowly start angling your bangs. If they're here, start slowly angling them to where they can go one side or the other. So if you're going this direction, you can slowly start adding. I say slowly because they're not just gonna chop this way. If you have bangs here, you can't just add an angle. Most people didn't understand that. If your bangs are here, if you really wanted that angle right away, where would we go? We'd have to cut up here. Yep, we can't just add hair down here. So you can start adding texture into this part of your hair to start going towards the side of your face. I guarantee the next time you see a movie with somebody with bangs, you're just gonna come in and have them again. Keep this video stored.
Save it.
Another thing you can do with your bangs, braid them off to the side. We're gonna split it into 3 sections. Bring the outer one under, the outer one under. And just keep doing that. Add hair, bring the outer one under, add some hair, bring it under the middle. The outer one goes under the middle. This style also works on those days that your hair is a little greasy and then you try to powder it and that didn't work.
But you don't have time to shower.
This style can help you out there too. And then make sure to stop grabbing hair right about there and just finish your braid. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull these. Don't pull too hard or your bangs will pop out of there. Go ahead and bring all of your hair back. Again, typically I'd wrap it in a ponytail, but I didn't bring it. So I'm gonna put it in a messy bun. I'm gonna do a whole tutorial on messy buns, but I'm gathering all my hair. We're pretending this is a rubber band. There you go. There's another style. If you have short hair and you're trying the braid, just go ahead and you're gonna crisscross some bobby pins right at the top there. You're gonna hold right here, put one bobby pin in. I'm gonna have to do a whole video on hiding your bobby pins. There's a special art to that too. You're gonna lock them, crisscross, push a little hair over, and there you go. You can hide your bangs. If you have really short bangs and you're doing this and it won't stay, you can use a little bit of hairspray. Again, when you use a good shaper with the heat, it should already have a good texture to it so that when you're in braiding, it's not gonna be popping up and sticking out everywhere. I actually kinda like this. I don't wanna take it out. If you have a lot of flyaways, go ahead and put a headband right behind your braid and that'll keep it really cute too. I know all these tricks because I've had bangs, not had bangs myself.
I'm laughing with you, not at you.
There's of course the mini poof if you'd like to get your bangs out of your face. So instead of twisting them and just doing it really close to your head, you can try doing a little bit of teasing this way. Start at the top. Go ahead and pull all the way back and then push forward. Lock those bobby pins, crisscross one over the other. Okay, another one is a side twist. You're gonna start right here and do a very small twist, just a twist. Add a little bit more as you go. Keep twisting really tight. Twist all of your bangs in. Then we're gonna loop all your other hair over that end. We're gonna slide your bobby pin in, slide the other one in, crisscross. Tuck that twist right in there. If you have straight hair, you can tease this part of your hair and wear it over it, and this will just keep it out of your face like your own natural headband. Don't make me straighten my whole hair to show you. Alright guys, I hope all of these styles and tricks help you grow out your bangs and then go see your hairdresser again when you want to cut them back. We really don't mind. We want you to understand there are ways to go in between cutting your bangs and growing them out.
Cutting your bangs and growing them out.
I hope you guys really enjoy this. I love doing it. Thank you guys for watching another week. My hair is probably dirty. I will see you guys next week when we learn who knows what. I don't know, next month. It's fall wedding season.
What can I do?
Keep sending me all your questions. Little by little, I'm gonna get to every single request. I promise. Bye guys. Or I could just pretend these are my bangs. You can do it! Yeah. I'm crazy. Thanks for watching. My hair is probably dirty. And that's how you're going to...